Hello, hello, hello. Welcome one and all to our channel. I'm sure there's going to be lots of you that already watch our channel, but there will be more that don't, because we have a very special, once in an incredible lifetime opportunity today. And me and my crew, my family, are going to share our experience with you on the solar eclipse that is happening today. Where our farm is, we are very close to the path where it's going to be totally black. Research shows that our farm, animals in general, react in a different way to it being dark. Now, when I mean dark, they say it's going to be like pitch black. So I'm not sure. I've never experienced this before. So stay tuned, and I hope that we are really able to share this experience the best way we can. Of course, it's not going to be the same as if you were actually here. So stay tuned and enjoy. Our time is getting closer. There are quite a few clouds in the way. The temperature is dropping, but I want the goats to experience it too. So we're gonna drop this curtain because everything's on this side, and we're gonna see how these goats react. Oh, and you guys can hear them. I'm sure you can. But just as a little sneak peek, yes, we had more babies. Not just 24, but another 30, and another 24, and there's 9 more, and there's a couple more in the parlor yet. Those videos are coming out soon. And it is getting dark out. Like, when I mean dark, I mean it's getting dark. Like, this is incredible how dark it is, eh? it is eerie out, eh? Oh man, this is something else. Okay, I'm going in the barn. Look, it's like it's nighttime out right now. Very well could be that these goats aren't going to notice anything because we normally keep the lights on in here, but it is ridiculously dark in here. Holy moly. Guys, it is black. Look at that.
So cool.
Oh, wow, look. Oh my. Oh, wow. Oh my! Wow! It's really hard for the goats because the lights are still all on. They are all standing though, like this kid pen, these two pens back here, they're normally not like that. Look at how alert they all are. They know something's up. This is incredible, look. This is not normal. Wow. We gotta go catch this again. That is incredible. This is truly an experience of a lifetime, I'm telling you. And you know something? This is all orchestrated perfectly in God's plan. This isn't just coincidence that we are here right now. This is all God ordained. Look at it. That is unreal. Look at the horizon. Here the sun's gonna come right back out again.
Wow, it's getting bright again real quick.
And it is cold out. Look, neighbor's got fireworks over there.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, this is so cool.
Wow. This is awesome when it comes back. That's even better than when it went away. And look, it's still pitch black over there where it's got to come up yet. And now it's starting to light up. I've never had such a fast night's sleep in my life. That was a good all-nighter, eh guys? The birds are back chirping. Everything's back to making noise again. Never, like starting to hear the seagulls. But that was really awesome. Now, that was truly an experience of a lifetime. We were talking about it a little bit amongst ourselves during and after, how like the energy we were feeling, there was like a, it was incredible. It's really hard to explain, but it's something truly to experience if you ever can. I know that there will be more solar eclipses later on in years, and you might have to go drive somewhere far or fly somewhere to experience it, but it truly is incredible. And to think that this was perfectly orchestrated by the Creator is truly amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and feel free to write comments. I do read them all. I love reading the comments. Yeah, it truly is amazing that it happened here for us, here on our farm. It happened is amazing. See you all later. Take care and God bless.